Hey, hey guys, I figured I'd give you an update on the cleaning of the lift in the garage. You can see where the battery acid spilled out of the battery as it was sitting there overnight. We moved the lift ahead a little bit. You can see where it normally rolls back and forth. See how it made a little cut in the concrete. But pressure washer cleaned it up good, so I think it's going to need another coat of John Deere. I'm sure we'll be painting another tractor eventually. Add another flavor of paint to it. New home for the walk behind in here. Gives us more room over than the other garage. Just wish I could do something with the tire changer, but makes a good lube rack in the meantime. But it's not too bad in here. I'd like it cleaner, but for a garage that's always being used, you can walk around it. I just clean the interior of my car so you can see the armor all and stuff I sprayed on it. I got to do the outside of it. You can see it outside there. So, letting it warm up. I bought one of these jump starters thinking they'd work for the tractors. They don't, but keep it in my car in case I come across somebody that needs help. So far haven't, but in my camera bag there's my lens that I've been using for my bird pictures. I just switched over to the little lens for filming this. So yeah, I just figured I'd give you a quick update on how the garage came out, since I was like a little teaser on it before. It's not as warm as it was the other day. Turn the lights off there. But it's not terrible. It was really cloudy this morning, but cleared up now, as you can see. I had to go to fast and lab work yesterday, so unfortunately roads were wet enough, making a mess. It was supposed to warm up. Well, I heard a jet. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there you go. Must be a business jet going out of Stewart. I like taking pictures of the planes that come out of there. Yeah, there he goes. Off to parts unknown. One of these days I'll have to get a video of my neighbor's army trucks. He's up to 3 now. 3 big 6x6s. One's a real monster. And the other 2 are, if you can call them, shrimpy. They're not. His son talked him into getting one, so now he has one. That's funny. Us and tractors, them and army trucks. Got an army spec Hummer, an old square body Chevy, which is cool. So, army truck only has like 30,000, so. Alright, I'm gonna just call it going inside. I'll talk to you later.